Namaskara. I am Shivakumar Swami, BS, Government Residential High School for Talented Girls, Nanjangud, Mathematics teacher. It is the continuation of the first video which I have posted already about arithmetic progression. Today we will be dealing with nth term of the arithmetic progression. Nth term of an arithmetic progression is denoted by an, and it is also called as the general term of AP. First term is written as A, second term is written as A plus B, and the third term is written as A plus 2D, fourth term is written as A plus 3D, fifth term is written as A plus 4D. Likewise, nth term is written as A plus n minus 1 into D. Here, first term can be written as A plus 0 D is equal to A plus 0. How come here 0 means which is equals to A? How come here 0? That has to be, we can understand here in the second term A plus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 into D, which is equals to A plus 1D, that is A plus D. Whereas here A plus the third term 3 minus 1 into D, which is nothing but A plus 2D. Here also it is A plus fourth term 4 minus 1 into D. So it is A plus 3D. Likewise, it can be straightly written as A plus 5 minus 1 into D is equal to A plus 4D. 5 minus 1 is 4, 4D. If it is in the case of, let me take an example of 100th term. 100th term. How to write an 100th term means A plus 100 minus 1 into D, which is equals to A plus 99D will be the A 100th term. Likewise, nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. The nth term an of the AP with the first term A and common difference D is given by an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Sometimes an, the nth term, is also represented as last term, and it is represented by the letter L. Now let us try to solve few problems on the nth term of an AP, that is the general term of AP. If A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, n is equal to 8, find an. Here A is equal to, the first term is 7, the common difference is 3, and what we want to find here is the nth term, that is the 8th term of this arithmetic progression we have to find. So simply we can use the formula an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So n is equal to 8. So A8 is equal to A is 7 plus n is already given 8 minus 1, and the common difference D is 3. A8 is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into 3. So A8 is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. A8 is equal to 28. The eighth term of this arithmetic progression is 28. Now, here, if a is equal to minus 18, d is equal to question mark, n is equal to 10, and an is equal to 0 in an AP, then we should find here d. For this also, we can use the same formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An, where n is 10, a10 is equal to, what is a? It is already given, minus 18 plus n minus 1 means n is 10 minus 1. And what is the d? The d, what we have to calculate in this problem. So, a10, and it is given an is equal to, that is nth term, an is equal to 10, 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 10 minus 1, that is 9d. So, when we shift this one to the left hand side, minus 18 it becomes plus 18 is equal to 9d, and 18 by 9 is equal to d. d is equal to 2. So, we have calculated the value of the common difference d in this problem. If a is equal to minus 3, n is equal to 18, and an is equal to minus 15, then find a of the AP. For this also, it is already been given. What all we know is a, the difference, common difference, n, an is given minus 5. So, by using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, we can calculate this one. As it is already been given, an is equal to minus 5 is equal to, what is a? A, what we have to calculate, let it be a itself, and n is equal to, it is given 18, a is equal to 18 minus 1, and the common difference d is minus 3. So, here minus 5 is equal to a plus 18 minus 1 is 17 into minus 3. So, minus 5 is equal to a minus 7 3 is a 21, 1, 2 carry, 3 1s are 3, plus 2, 5, 51. So, we will take this to the left hand side, minus 5 plus 51. As it moves to the left hand side, the sign changes, plus 51 is equal to a. So, it will be plus 46 plus 46 is equal to a. This is the first term of the given AP. Likewise, you can solve other problems. Now, let us move to the next problem. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, etc. is 78? In this problem, we should find the order, if not the place, the number of the term 78. What is the number of the term 78? To calculate this, we know that the first term of the given AP is 3, and the common difference d we will know how to calculate, that is a2 minus a1, if not, which is also equal to a3 minus a2. Likewise, we can calculate, but we will be using here the simplest one, that is a2 minus a1. a2 is 8 minus 3, that is a1. The common difference d is 8 minus 3 is 5. And then let us take an as 78. an as 78. We know the formula to calculate the nth term, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. As we all know, here an is 78. So, What is a? It is already been known that a is 3 plus n which we want to calculate here minus 1, and d is 5. So we will take this one 3 to the left hand side. So 78, the plus 3 will change its sign as it moves to the left hand side. So minus 3. We will multiply this n 5 with n. So 5n, and 5 with minus 1, minus 5. So 78 minus 3 is 75, which is equals to 5n minus 5. As we move on minus 5 to the left hand side, 75 plus 5, its sign changes, which will be equals to 5n, and 80, 75 plus 5 is equal to 80 is equal to 5n, and 80 when divided by 5, which is fetches n, that is n, 80 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5. So what is the remainder? 3, 0. We will take this one, 5, 6 are 30. So the answer is n is equal to 16. Therefore, we can conclude that the 16th term of the given AP is 78. Now let us take this problem in which we will be calculating the number of terms in the given AP. I will be solving one problem, and another problem will be solved by you as your homework. Here in this problem, 18, first term, a is equal to 18, and the common difference, as you all know, common difference is calculated by a2 minus a1. That is, here a2 is 15 and half minus a1 is 18. a1 is 18. So we will be multiplying this with 2. That is 15 2s are 30 plus 1 by 2 minus 18. So 31 by 2 minus 18. So here we will be taking the LCM of these two numbers. So what happens here is 2. So here also we will take here 1. So we will be multiplying it with 31 with 1, and whereas here with 2, 31 ones are 31 minus 18 2s are 36. So we will be getting 31 minus 36 means minus 5 by 2. What is this? This is the D. The D what we got here is D is equal to minus 5 by 2. And we know what is AN. AN is already been given minus 47. AN is minus 47. So from this we can know A is equal to 18, D is equal to minus 5 by 2, AN is equal to minus 47. So we will be using the formula, the same old formula what we are using from several of our problems what we solved now. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN is equal to minus 47. We will substitute the value of AN minus 47. And what is A? That is 18. What we have by seeing that the problem itself we can recognize, and n for which we are solving this problem, so we can't substitute the value, we will be calculating it. And now the value of D, that is minus 5 by 2. So minus 47, and I will be taking this 18 to the left hand side. As I want this 18 to the left hand side, the sign changes. That is, here it is having the positive sign, and as it is shifted to the LHS, its sign changes, minus 18, which is equals to now minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1. So here we will be adding this 2. So as both the signs are negative, as you are already familiar with, we will be using the minus sign. 8 plus 7 is 15, 5, 1 carry, 4, 5, 6, 65 is equal to minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1. So here also minus sign and here also minus sign, both cancels. 5 ones are 5 13s are 13 into, we will take the cross multiply, 13 into 2 is equal to n minus 1. So 13 2s are 26 is equal to n minus 1. As I shift this to 26, as I shift minus 1 to the left hand side, the sign changes, is equal to n. 27 is equal to n. 27 is equal to n. That means, therefore, we can conclude that minus 47 is the 27th term of the given AP. Now, in this method, you students can solve the second problem, that is 7, 13, 19, etc. 205. Here also, by using the same steps, you can solve this problem.